Marhaba, now I'm going to share is the translation of different animals from Tagalog to English to Arabic. So let's start in mga hayop. Mga hayop in Tagalog, animals in English, and al-haywanat in Arabic. So from mga hayop to animals to al-haywanat. Next is aso. Aso in Tagalog, dog in English, and kalb in Arabic. So from aso to dog to kalb. Next is pusa. Pusa in Tagalog, cat in English, and bisa in Arabic. So from pusa to cat to bisa. Next is ipis. Ipis in Tagalog, cockroach in English, and sursur in Arabic. So from ipis to cockroach to sursur. Next is isda. Isda in Tagalog, fish in English, and samaka in Arabic. So from isda to fish to samaka. Next is uod. Uod in Tagalog, worm in English, and duda in Arabic. So from uod to worm to duda. Next is manok. Manok in Tagalog, chicken in English, and dijaja in Arabic. So from manok to chicken to dijaja. Next is daga. Daga in Tagalog, mouse in English, and far in Arabic. So from daga to mouse to far. Next is leon. Leon in Tagalog, lion in English, and asad in Arabic. So from leon to lion to asad. Next is tigre. Tigre in Tagalog, tiger in English, and namer in Arabic. So from tigre to tiger to namer. Next is pagong. Pagong in Tagalog, turtle in English, and sulhafat in Arabic. So from pagong to turtle to sulhafat. Next is girape. Girape in Tagalog, giraffe in English, and zarafa in Arabic. So from girape to giraffe to zarafa. Next is ibon. Ibon in Tagalog, bird in English, and usfur in Arabic. So from ibon to bird to usfur. Next is unggoy. Unggoy in Tagalog, monkey in English, and gird in Arabic. So from unggoy to monkey to gird. Next is tupa. Tupa in Tagalog, sheep in English, and karuf in Arabic. So from tupa to sheep to karuf. Next is kuneho. Kuneho in Tagalog, rabbit in English, and arnab in Arabic. So from kuneho to rabbit to arnab. Next is ahas. Ahas in Tagalog, snake in English, and salwa in Arabic. So from ahas to snake to salwa. Next is langgam. Langgam in Tagalog, ant in English, and namla in Arabic. So from langgam to ant to namla. Next is elepante. Elepante in Tagalog, elephant in English, and fill in Arabic. So from elepante to elephant to fill. Next is paru-paro. Paru-paro in Tagalog, butterfly in English, and farasha in Arabic. So from paru-paro to butterfly to farasha. Next is asong lobo. Asong lobo in Tagalog, wolf in English, and div in Arabic. So from asong lobo to wolf to div. And the last is asno. Asno in Tagalog, donkey in English, and hamar in Arabic. So from asno to donkey to hamar. And that's all for now. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Ilanika!